Here we go, round number one. Wood in the red corner, Bird in the blue corner. Oh!
That was a beautiful
big left
shot.
hand by Nathan. Wood needs to be careful not to walk onto another one of them. He could go down.
Bird in the southpaw stance. Wood coming in with heavy shots, but that's a really nice counter.
Wow! Nathan has landed that left hand a few times and it's been sweet.
Yeah, it's perfectly timed.
And in Nathan's previous fights, I've not seen him use his southpaw stance, but he's looking beautiful tonight.
Yeah, he looks really crisp with it, nice slip. Oh, beautiful work.
Excellent.
Strong left hook again.
Nathan's really been working on his hands and looking slick tonight.
Oh, nice. Oh, beautiful combination.
Oh! Big uppercut.
I think that stunned him.
But one thing we do know about Wood, he does not stop coming forward. In his last bout, he was taking a few clean shots. He never stopped coming forward.
That's already evident tonight. He is coming forward like a zombie. But he is eating heavy shots and he needs to be careful of that.
Nathan's looking really good here. Nice body shot. Excellent first round.
much pressure from Wood, but the crisp, sharp technique from Bird is fantastic.
Yeah, Bird's left hand is really nice. He's thrown it super straight.
Yeah, nice and straight, yeah.
He's finding the target nearly every time.
Yeah, well, Wood's coming in with round shots, lots of winging shots, and Wood's just meeting him down the middle, beating him to the punch.
I think he's definitely been working on that straight left hand in his camp.
I think Wood just needs to be a little bit more calculated on his approach into the inside. He obviously wants to work on the inside.
Round number 2. Oh, beautiful
left
shot.
Partially on the guard.
But he's going to need a bomb to take Wood out.
Yeah.
He's got a solid chin, good right hand to the body by Wood. And Bird just pushes him off, lands his left hand again. And he's leading with that left hand because it's southpaw to orthodox.
I'd like to see Wood just throw straighter punches. Just nice and simple boxing. Good body work.
Excellent body work.
He's just coming forward with reckless abandon.
Nice step off to the side by Nathan. Lands his left hand again.
There's another left hand down the pipe. Good 3-punch combo.
Yeah, Nathan's really letting his hands go. I'd like to see Wood throw some combinations now.
Yeah, he
bang,
just
bang,
needs to
bang, bang.
straighten up his punches a bit. Maybe don't fall into the clinch so much and get some work done. He looks tired, he's just falling into that clinch.
Nice work by Nathan on the inside. Oh, that combination just missed by Nathan.
I think Bird should start looking for some uppercuts. When Wood comes in, his head's really low. Just falling down the middle into that clinch. He can start looking for some tight uppercuts on that approach. He might be able to close this out.
And Wood did a fantastic job that round of not walking onto too many straight left hands like he did in the first round.
Yeah.
But I would like to see him throw some good combination work now and really try and take the fight to Nathan.
Third and final round. Let's see what they've got left in the tank.
Oh, big left hand to start the round by Nathan. I think he wants to try and take Wood out here. Nate. Oh,
Beautiful little shovel.
Beautiful combination by Nathan Bird.
Oh, there's that uppercut. Really nice.
Excellent timing on that uppercut.
working some really nice striking on the clinch on the inside, really nice dirty boxing. Racking up points on that clinch. You can tell Wood is just so tired now.
Yeah, he's took a lot
He's
of
just
punishment.
taking the clinch every single time they come together. Bird doing well to evade it.
Nathan trying to go through the gears and trying to get Wood out of there.
Yeah.
Both men are trying to leave it all in the cage. Nice. Good left, short left hand on the inside by Nathan. It doesn't look like much, but they're powerful shots. And Wood's just stifling his work slightly here.
Yeah, he's smothering it a lot.
Oh, good combination by Nathan to finish the fight.
Yeah, good finish there. So a much cleaner fight from Bird.
Yeah, Bird showed fantastic improvement in his striking. He won every round there for me.
Yeah, me too. Really nice crisp technique, really accurate shots, finding home every time. Wood tried to make it a bit of a dogfight, quite scrappy, but
He just couldn't get going, really.
yeah. Bird winning on the outside and in the clinch as well, doing some really nice dirty boxing.
Ladies and gentlemen, what about 3 cracking rounds from the big guys showing us how strong? Let's show them up, these guys, come on. The fight going the distance, we went to the scorecards. We have a unanimous decision. Your winner is in the blue corner.